Right here, we have here 2 minus 2, that will give us 2, and the expression becomes 5 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Then right here we have this 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, that gives us 6, and we have here 5 minus 6 divided by 6. Then here we have this, and the expression becomes 5 minus 6 divided by 6, that gives us 1. And lastly, we have 5 minus 1, that gives us 4. This answer is wrong. When I saw this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now, to get this right, we are going to have this 5 minus 6 divided by 3 into 4 minus 2. Now, we are going to follow this other operation called PEMDAS. Here, multiplication and division have the same precedence, and addition and subtraction have the same precedence here. Now, as following this order of operation, we are going to consider the parentheses first, because this comes first here from this order. And as such, we are going to first of all simplify the term inside the parentheses, and we are going to have this. Now, the expression becomes 5 minus 6 divided by 3. Because of this, we have multiplication here. When 4 minus 2, that gives us 2. Now, still following this order of operation, we are going to consider division, because division have higher priority than the multiplication and the subtraction. Therefore, we are going to consider division. And note that the operation is from left to right, and the expression becomes 5 minus here 6 divided by 3, that gives us 2 when multiplied by 2. And next, we are going to consider multiplication now. And multiplication is of higher priority than subtraction, and we consider this. Therefore, we have here 5 minus 2 times 2, that gives us 4. And lastly, we consider subtraction. And 5 minus 4, that gives us 1. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.